Considering rehabbing properties, it is important to be able to determine how feasible it is to purchase a property with deferred maintenance. Updating and remodeling homes and buildings can be very expensive and prone to many expensive issues. Do your homework up front to eliminate financial surprises that can be budgeting breakers. Location is always important. Do not let your emotions rule. Have a budget. It is important to be logical and analytical. Never make over improvements to the property. Only add improvements that will add value to the property if considering flipping property or utilizing as a rental investment. Master bathroom remodeling before the update. Always take into consideration if there may be hidden damage that requires repairs. Since this is a framed building and the window sill is low, which enables water to invade wall cavities that creates water damage to the structural framing. Due to this condition, framing was rotted with termite damage. The wall was deconstructed and reconstructed with new window framing and wall substrate and ceramic wall tiles. Changing out toilets and sink vanities makes a big difference for the bathroom update. Master bath remodeling and update. Amazing the difference in appearance after remodeling and replacement of the shower stall area and changing the bathroom fixtures. The update was made the home more livable and improved its markability. Typically, bathrooms are remodeled and updated every 25 to 30 years or when the wife can't stand it anymore. Hall bath renovation, typically a 1980s bath look, clean and serviceable, yet needing a new look. No window in surround area, cast iron tub in good condition, walls surround stable, and no subsurface moisture detected. A simpler construction task. Update completed. New walls and tiles installed to tub, bath, shower, as well as bathroom walls. Tiling walls eliminates periodically painting bathroom walls and saving future painting maintenance. A new granite sink top and toilet keep the homeowner satisfied for the coming years. When buying or selling or leasing property, it's all about you. I help you focus your energies and budget wisely. Walk you through each step of the sales process. Contact me, please.